Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Starling Bank app and whether or not it's available outside of the UK. Now, I know you might be thinking, why would I care about this? Well, Starling Bank is a digital bank that's been getting a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. They offer a range of innovative features, like instant notifications for transactions, the ability to set savings goals, and even a roundup feature that automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest pound and deposits the difference into a savings pot. So, if you're looking for a bank that offers a modern, user-friendly experience, Starling Bank might be worth considering. But before you download the app, you might be wondering if it's available in your country. Well, the answer is, it depends. Starling Bank is primarily available in the UK, but they've recently expanded their services to a few other countries as well. Currently, the app is available in the following countries: United Kingdom, Ireland, Germany, France, Spain, Italy. So, if you live in one of these countries, you're in luck. You can download the Starling Bank app and start using it right away. However, if you live outside of these countries, you're out of luck for now. Starling Bank hasn't announced any plans to expand their services to other countries yet. So, there you have it. The Starling Bank app is currently only available in a few select countries. If you live in one of those countries, I highly recommend checking it out. It's a great option for anyone who's looking for a modern, user-friendly banking experience. But if you live outside of those countries, you'll just have to wait and see if Starling Bank decides to expand its services in the future. In the meantime, there are plenty of other great digital banks out there that you can use. So, don't get too discouraged if you can't use Starling Bank yet. There are plenty of other options available to you. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and banking. Thanks for watching.